Hello everyone, welcome to the Odoo Hotel Management application. In this video, we will quickly learn how to change the housekeeping status of any room. So first, click on the Hotel Management application. Now go to the housekeeping menu. On the left side, all the active floors will be visible. Click on any floor and all the rooms of that floor will be visible on the right side in each room card. Each room card has a drop down with three options, that is clean, dirty and under maintenance. Change the state to any other, for example dirty. Confirm the pop-up and the housekeeping status for room 101 will be changed to dirty. Now go to the master data and click on rooms. Search for the room 101 and open the form view. Here, a banner will be placed on the form view showing the housekeeping status of that room.